I'm baking an 8-inch marble cake, an 8-inch strawberry cake, and an 8-inch red velvet cake today. First thing up is to prep all of my ingredients. Why am I still alive? I'm gonna go pour hot water from the tap. I have to make an 8-inch square, which takes more batter than a 9-inch square, than an 8-inch round. I'm preparing way too much batter. Any left over, I'm gonna make her a little surprise smash cake. So I have to make cake pops. Do not forget, I have to make cake pops. I am partially done. I'm almost done, almost done. After this, I will go turn on my oven. I am officially done prepping ingredients. Now we move on to prepping pans. Decided to do marble and red velvet first, and then wait for marble to come out of the oven, and then do strawberry. I think this is all gonna fit in here. Red velvet. Apparently, I could not fit 3 8-inch square pans on the same rack. I can only fit 2. Marble cake. Last cakes of the oven strawberry. It's 11:24 and I'm done baking today.